Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Sometimes when you connect USB device to your PC or laptop running Windows 11, Windows 10 or older version of Windows operating system, you will see a dialog box with error message that is USB device not recognized. The last USB device you connected to this computer malfunctioned and Windows does not recognize it. This dialog box usually appears when Windows fails to recognize the USB device due to driver's issue, USB device is faulty or USB port is damaged. YouTube is full of video where you will find various solutions to fix this issue. But in this video, I'm going to cover few solutions which will either fix the issue or confirms that your device is faulty. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Sometimes particular USB device has OS limitations. So when you are seeing this error, head over to device website and check what OS requirements it has. If your USB device support the current operating system and still error message appear, then try this solution. Right click on the start button and select device manager. Locate universal serial bus controller. Here locate the USB device that is not detected by the PC. Usually it says unknown USB device, device descriptor request fails with yellow exclamation mark. Simply right click on it and select uninstall. After that, restart your computer and Windows will automatically try to download the best driver available. And it's possible that device is detected by the PC next time you restart. In case if it fails, head over to manufacturer website and try to download the latest version of the driver available from there. I have already created a detailed video on how to do that, so check the link in the description and follow the steps. In case your USB flash drive or pen drive is not recognized, then this method is not applicable as most of the pen drives have supported drivers inbuilt and company do not provide separate drivers for them. If driver method fails to fix the issue, then remove the USB drive and inject it to another USB port. If your USB device is detected by the PC, then it confirms that your particular USB port is faulty. Also, if your USB device use wire to connect to USB port, then always use original wire that comes with the device. If it's not working, try with different or new wire. And if it works, then problem is with wire. In case your USB device is not detected by any USB port on your device even after using different wire, then try to connect it with another device and check if it's working or not. If it's not working on other devices as well, then it confirms that your USB device is faulty. In this situation, you need to contact your device support. They will assist you better. So that's
If
all
you
about
find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel
to get
to get
notifications
notifications
about
about
more
more
similar
similar videos.
videos. Thanks for watching.